Fine.
All right. So, what's the? I mean, tell me your full name.
My name is Omar Farooq. My friends and family called Omar, so you can call me Omar.
Which one do you like most, Cox's Bazar or Patul?
I think I'm mostly Cox's Bazar, but Patul is too beautiful.
Thank you. What is the specialty of Patul?
The specialty is simplicity and natural beauty.
Why it is called Patul?
Beside the beach, a small village which name is Patul. So in this name,
It is known as Patul. Thank you. So, how many times have you visited here?
Mostly 12 or 15.
Oh, very long. Do you have any suggestion to develop Patul?
Sure, I have suggestion to develop this Patul. Government should take a step, especially attract foreign
Tourists.
Thank you.
Thank you.